Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, life just doesn't give you a break? Like you're running on a treadmill, exhausted, yet stuck in the same place? Well, this story might just shift the way you see your future. In a quiet town in Texas lived Rachel, a young single mother. She worked long shifts at a diner, barely making enough to pay rent. Each night, after putting her little daughter to bed, she sat by the window, staring at the stars, wondering why does life seem so unfair everywhere around her. People were moving forward, new cars, promotions, beautiful houses, while she was trapped in a cycle of survival. But one evening, an elderly customer at the diner noticed her tired eyes. He said something that stuck with her. "Rachel, what you focus on grows. If you only see struggle, struggle multiplies. But if you see possibility, miracles unfold." At first, Rachel laughed it off. She thought, miracles? I don't even have enough for groceries. But that night, she wrote down a vision of the life she truly wanted: a stable job, a cozy home, and a better future for her daughter. She read those words every morning, before leaving for work, and every night before bed. Slowly, something inside her shifted. She started applying for jobs she once thought were out of her league. She carried herself differently, more confident, more focused. Months later, she landed an office job with health benefits. Then, with steady income, she moved into a small but beautiful apartment. It wasn't overnight magic, but step by step, her vision was becoming real. 1 year later, she looked around at her new life and whispered, "It all started with a belief." Vocabulary section. Resilient, meaning strong, not giving up. Example, Rachel was resilient even when life was tough. Manifest, meaning to make real. Example, she manifested her dream job through vision and effort. Breakthrough, meaning big positive change. Example, getting her new job was a breakthrough moment. Rachel's journey shows us that manifestation isn't about wishing for magic. It's about aligning your vision with consistent action. When you truly believe in a better future, your mind begins to see opportunities where before there were only obstacles. Remember this: believe in your vision, act with faith, and life will respond. If Rachel's story inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more powerful stories that can change your life.